So nakikita ko dito yung confident na Cedric. Kasi para makapag-selfie ka, it takes courage.
Yung confidence niya. Parang yung smile niya is mas genuine na ganon.
She looks so confident in this photo. I think she's loving her skin more.
Kung wala kang self-confidence, hindi ka makakapag-selfie kasi ganun din ako before.
We're gaining back our confidence.
Acne is something na hindi naman natin ginusto. Can also teach us lesson din.
The other people who doesn't have acne-prone skin like us, for them, dirt lang yan sa face mo, you didn't sleep well. But for us, it's not just dirt, it's more than just the skin deep.